Real estate investing one-on-one for beginners. What's up, guys? I'm JC Hunter, your weekend investor. Since I'm taking you on my real estate journey, I want to talk to you about the things that some investors don't talk about. I hate secret societies, so you can count on me to make sure that I am open, honest, and transparent about my real estate journey. So from research to actually pulling the trigger and buying a property, it took about 3 years for multiple reasons, all right? But to hear that story, go check out my intro to real estate investing video. I'm sure you'll like it. First things first, I think that it's important for you to find out what you want to do in real estate. There are so many areas of real estate, and it's not really a one-size-fits-all. There's wholesaling, there's fix and flips, there's buy and holds, it's property preservation, developing, and the list goes on and on and on. Some investors start with wholesaling and then move on to fix and flips, but I personally didn't want to hustle like that, okay? But you may like the cold calling and the driving for dollars, so do you, okay? But understand your risk tolerance early on. The next thing you are going to need is money or a way to get it. With wholesaling, you don't need any upfront money, but we are excluding wholesaling because that was not my strategy at all. And if you want to take the buy and hold approach like I did, then you will need good credit and a little bit of money, and then you can really get creative with finding money, like hard money loans, having money saved, or pulling money from your retirement, or using credit cards. Now you can, really understand what you're getting to, and understand that real estate is a long game, okay? The money will come if you have the right strategy. Then you need to learn how to analyze deals. Learn and know your numbers. I'm a numbers girl, okay? And I need to see where it goes and how it makes sense. I use an app called Deal App. As you can see right here, there are several apps out there that will help you analyze deals, but this one is really user-friendly. It's quick, it's easy, and allows me to be on the phone with the wholesaler and run numbers really quickly to decide if I even want to take that deal or not. Also, you want to find a market where you want to invest. I'm an out-of-state investor, okay? There were really no deals that I felt comfortable with doing in my own state. So one of my goals is to invest in a city that's thriving and starting to, move, and I can create opportunities for others for home ownership and low-income families. So I'm investing in Detroit, and no, I don't have any ties or connections or anything, any family there. I'm investing in the market right now because it's right for me and for what I want to do and my strategy for the long run, all right? So the last thing is make sure that you connect with me on all social media at The Winning Brand. I'm always talking about branding, content creation, entrepreneurship, and now real estate, all right? Make sure you share this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and let's invest. Let's get to work.